Hi, it's the 16th of October. Since returning from the Learn to Trade office in Sydney, I've been focusing on 180 profit booster and volatility reversal. I've also just had a coaching session with my coach David. I've been trading most days except this week. There's been a lot of news, so I haven't placed many trades with the 180 profit booster. My goals right now, literally just after my coaching session, are to focus on identifying divergence. So that's when the stochastic chart, even though the OHLC bars might show higher highs, one of the indicators will show lower highs, which indicates a market reversal. So David wants me focusing on identifying those and sending him examples. The session I had with him was amazing how accurate the divergence was. He then once I've done that this week, he wants me to put that strategy into the 180 profit booster and volatility reversal strategies, and then also start going on the lower time frames. So over the next couple of weeks, I want to focus on spotting divergence accurately, and then putting it into practice with the 180 profit booster strategy. It's all exciting stuff, and the coaching sessions are really amazing. So I'll do another update in a couple of weeks and let you know how I'm going.